Looking to launch a business in France and protect your assets? Whether you are a foreign entrepreneur setting up a subsidiary in France or starting a new venture, incorporating a SASU is a powerful and strategic choice. The SASU offers maximum flexibility, making it ideal not only for starting operations but also for future growth. It allows you to easily bring in new shareholders, convert into a multi-shareholder SAS, raise funds from investors, or even structure joint ventures or strategic partnerships at a later stage. At FrenchCo.Lawyer, only French registered lawyers and chartered accountants handle the entire incorporation process for you. We draft your articles of association, structure your company in line with your future objectives, investment, partnerships, scalability, manage the capital deposit, publish the legal notices, and file the complete registration with the commercial court. Once completed, your company is fully registered and operational with a K-Bis extract and the benefit of limited liability protection. Whether you are setting up a French subsidiary, launching a new project, or preparing for future investors, we ensure the process is handled securely, efficiently, and in full compliance with French law. We can also assist with initial governance documents and strategic structuring, ensuring your company is ready for future developments from day one. At FrenchCo.Lawyer, our goal is simple: make French corporate law clear, fast, and reliable for international entrepreneurs. Contact us today and let our team handle the legal work, so you can focus on building and scaling your business in France.